question is here, find the shortest distance between the parallel lines. Vector r is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda I minus j plus k, and vector r is equal to 2i minus j minus k plus mu minus I plus j minus k. Very important question. Solution is here. The given parallel lines are, there are two parallel lines. The given parallel lines are r is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda I minus j plus k, lambda I minus j plus k, equation 1. It is equation of first parallel line. And second, vector r is equal to 2i minus j plus k, vector r is equal to 2i minus j plus k plus mu minus I plus j minus k, minus I plus j minus k. We have to convert this in this form. So we take minus 1 common here, it becomes minus u, and we take minus mu is equal to mu dash. So we write minus mu instead of minus mu dash here, it becomes plus I minus j plus k, equation 2. And r is equal to, vector r is equal to 2i minus j plus k, 2i minus j plus k plus mu dash minus, it becomes plus I minus j plus k, where mu dash is equal to minus mu. Lambda and mu dash are constant. The equation 1 and 2 are parallel. Since both have same vector here, I minus j plus k, I minus j plus k, and line 1 and line 2 are parallel to the vector. So these two lines are parallel lines. The given equations are of the form, these two equations are of the form vector r is equal to vector r1 plus lambda u, and vector r is equal to vector r2 plus mu dash u. Here r1, that is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, r2 is equal to 2i minus j minus k, and u is equal to I minus j plus k. Now, r1 is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, r2 is equal to 2i minus j minus k. Therefore, r2 vector r2 minus vector r1 is equal to 2i minus j minus k minus I plus 2j minus 3 plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k. So 2i minus I, the I, minus j minus 2j, the minus 3j, minus k minus 3k, the minus 4k. Vector r2 minus vector r1 is equal to I minus 3j minus 4k. And mod u is equal to, u is equal to here I minus j plus k. The mod u is equal to a square root 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1, 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 square root, and square root 3. Mod u is equal to a square root 3. Now, vector u cross vector r2 minus r1, vector u cross vector r2 minus r1. ijk. So it is determinant. It is in determinant form. The determinant ijk. First u coefficients 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1. Next, vector R2 minus R1, it is I minus 3j minus 4k coefficient 1 minus 3 minus 4, 1 minus 3 minus 4. Solving it, we get I into minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 into 1. We write it as minus 4 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3 I plus j 1 into minus 4 minus 1 into 1, 1 into minus 4 minus 1 into 1 j plus k 1 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 1 k minus 4 into minus 1. The 4 minus 1 into minus 3, the 3, the 4 plus 3 is 7i, 7i. 1 into minus 4, the minus 4, minus 1 into 1, the 1, the minus 4 minus 1, the minus 5j, minus 5j. 1 into minus 3, the minus 3, a minus 1 into minus 1, the plus 1, the minus 3 plus 1, the minus 2k, minus 2k. Vector u cross vector r2 minus vector r1 is equal to 7i minus 5j minus 2k. Therefore, mod vector u cross vector r2 minus vector r1 is equal to 7 square plus minus 5 square plus minus 2 square square root. Square root 7 square plus minus 5 square plus minus 2 square. 7 square 49 minus 5 square 25 minus 2 square 4 square root. 49 plus 25 plus 4, 78, square root 78. And the mod vector u cross vector r2 minus vector r1 is equal to square root 78. Therefore, the distance between the parallel lines is formula distance d is equal to mod vector u cross vector r2 minus r1 by mod vector u. Putting value here, we get here vector mod vector u cross vector r2 minus r1 is equal to square root 78 and mod vector u is equal to square root 3. So putting this value, we get its value square root 78 by its value square root 3. 326 ja 78. So d is equal to square root 26 unit. Hence, the distance between the parallel lines is square root 26 unit. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel and write your comment in each video.